The combination square. The combination square. This is one of my favourite tools that I use in the workshop all day, every day. There's a number of uses for this, so I want you to know what they are. So first of all, this part here is 90 degrees and can be used as a set square to make sure that you've got a straight line across your piece of wood. So how you would do that is you put this against the piece of wood like this, pinch it here, and you can draw a line across here, and that would be 90 degrees. If you use the back edge to register against like this, that will give you 45 degrees. So that's the first two uses for this. So this combination square also has a level included, so you can put it on a surface, and you can see here when I tip it back and forwards, you've got to get the bubble in the middle, and that there would be level. Super handy. Next, and probably the most useful function is it has a ruler attached to it as well. So you can see here we've got millimeters down the side here. So if I wanted to put a lot of screws in, which were 20 millimeters from the edge of a piece of wood, I can set this at 20 millimeters and tighten a little screw here. Then put this on the side of a piece of wood or the surface like this. And then I can hold a pencil here and draw a line like this all the way down the side of the piece of wood, or just make a little mark as needed. It's a super, super useful tool. It's got inches, millimeters, all of that stuff included, and will become one of the most important tools in your toolbox.